If you've just moved into a new home and found an odor you hadn't noticed before, don't panic. There are plenty of ways to find the source and eliminate smells. Easy odor removal. For light odor removal, stock up on common odor removal items like baking soda, coffee grounds, white vinegar, and apple cider vinegar to help clean and disinfect. Smoke and nicotine. Try to remove the odor first by washing the walls and dry cleaning curtains and other upholstery around the house. For persistent smells, you might need to repaint your walls. Pet smells. A vacuum can help remove pet hair that's been left behind. Sprinkle a layer of baking soda on the carpet and let it stand for a few minutes. It will help neutralize odors. Musty air quality. Check the air ducts and look for evidence of mold and other harmful bacteria. If you don't think your ducts need a cleaning, trap stinky bacteria by replacing the filters.